Welcome everyone. Today we talk about meditation. So meditation is a practice that has been used for thousands of years to calm the mind, reduce stress, and improve overall well-being. But what exactly is it, and how can you get started? Our minds are constantly active, filled with thoughts, worries, and to-do lists. Meditation helps to quiet the mind, allowing us to focus on the present moment and release the constant chatter. The basic practice of meditation involves finding a comfortable seat, closing your eyes, and focusing on your breath. By paying attention to the sensation of the breath, you can train your mind to let go of distractions and become more present. As you continue to meditate, you may begin to notice a sense of calm and clarity. This can lead to a reduction in stress and anxiety, as well as improvements in sleep and overall well-being. The key to starting a meditation practice is to make it a regular habit. Start with a few minutes a day and gradually increase the time as you become more comfortable. Remember, it's not about achieving a certain state. It's about the process and the practice. Meditation is a simple, yet powerful tool that can help to improve your mental and physical well-being. Give it a try and see how it can benefit you. Thanks for watching.